Have you ever wondered what would happen if our entire galaxy suddenly collided with another? Could life as we know it survive such a cosmic crash we call home? But what do we really know about it? In this video, we'll explore everything there is to know about the Milky Way, from its incredible size and structure to its fascinating history and future. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, one of the most common types in the universe. It stretches an astounding 100,000 light-years across. To put that into perspective, it would take a beam of light traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, 100,000 years to cross from one end to the other. Our galaxy is so massive that it contains between 100 and 400 billion stars, and among them is our very own sun. Our solar system resides in a quieter, less crowded part of the galaxy, within a spiral arm called the Orion Arm. This region is roughly 27,000 light-years away from the galactic center. Imagine that! The center of our galaxy is home to one of the most mysterious objects in the universe, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. This black hole is around 4 million times more massive than our sun, and it exerts a powerful gravitational force that influences the movement of stars and gas around it. The Milky Way's structure is awe-inspiring. It has several large winding arms made up of stars, gas, and dust. These spiral arms are where new stars are born, in vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. One famous example is the Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery where thousands of new stars are forming right now. But the Milky Way isn't just made up of visible matter like stars and planets. In fact, most of its mass is invisible, composed of something we call dark matter. Dark matter doesn't emit light, so we can't see it, but its gravitational influence holds our galaxy together, preventing it from flying apart as it rotates. As massive as it is, the Milky Way is constantly on the move. Our entire galaxy is rotating. Incredibly, our solar system is hurtling around the galactic center at about 828,000 kilometers per hour. Even at that unimaginable speed, it takes our solar system approximately 230 million years to complete one full orbit around the center of the galaxy. And while the Milky Way may seem eternal, it has a past and a future, just like everything else in the universe. Our galaxy is about 13.6 billion years old. It was born not long after the Big Bang, forming from clumps of gas that merged over billions of years. During its evolution, the Milky Way has absorbed smaller galaxies, adding more stars and mass to its structure. Speaking of the future, one of the most dramatic events in the Milky Way's future is a collision. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with its neighboring galaxy, Andromeda. Although this sounds catastrophic, the vast distances between stars mean that very few, if any, stars will actually collide. Instead, the two galaxies will merge to form a new, much larger galaxy. Scientists even have a name for this future galaxy: Milkomeda. Our Milky Way is just one of trillions of galaxies in the universe, but to us it is uniquely special. It is our home, the place where our solar system formed and where life on Earth began. From its spiral arms to its mysterious dark matter, the Milky Way is a stunning reminder of the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. As we continue to explore space, the Milky Way will reveal more of its secrets, and who knows, one day we may even travel beyond our galaxy, venturing into the great unknown. Thank you for joining me on this journey through our incredible galaxy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content about the wonders of the universe. What topic would you like to explore next? Let us know in the comments below.